Everyone, it's Bonnie. Happy Tuesday. I am back. Boy, taking that thumbnail was rough. I was holding up this entire box of Goose Creek fall candles. I'm going to unbox these right now. Thank you so much to Goose Creek for sending me these to review and preview. I literally cannot wait to dig in. Oh my gosh. I'm going to unbox these, and then when Lenny's here, we're really going to go deep with these candles. They've got summertime freshness. There's a lot going on at Goose Creek. Summer, fall, and you know Halloween is coming soon. I can smell them already. Are you ready? These are super cute. There's a camping collection and more of a gourmand collection. This one is called Mountainside Lake. Mountain air, fresh eucalyptus, ice lavender, and cool waters. That is definitely the eucalyptus. It's nice. Next up, we have bonfire blanket. These labels are gorgeous. Bonfire marshmallows, bourbon vanilla, caramelized amber, and cashmere musk. Oh my gosh. This is my candle. This is my candle. Bonfire, caramel, vanilla. I love it. That is beautiful. Okay, next up. This is part of this other collection. There's a lot of different ones. There's two different labels. This is called Campfire Leaves. Brandied apple, charred chestnut, fallen leaves, and glowing amber. Oh my gosh, glowing embers. I'm sorry. I was like, glowing amber, glowing embers. I don't care what it is. It's beautiful. It's very fall. It's very leaves. It's very smoky. Next up, we have cinnamon, sugar, vanilla. This one is cinnamon sugar, vanilla bean, and warm pastry. Oh my gosh. This is perfect. It's perfect. It's cinnamon, it's pastry. These are so much fun. Cozy Autumn Cuddle. Look at that one. Beautiful. Woven blankets, warm vanilla, and rich sandalwood. Oh my gosh, I really like this one. I don't usually like those like woolly blanket ones. The sandalwood in this one is gorgeous. Okay. Ooh, this is a nice collection. Evergreen Trail. Evergreen Trail. This one is Forest Evergreen, Towering Redwood, and Fresh Air. Oh my gosh. These are beautiful. I actually have a second box I'm not going to open until Lenny gets here. There's like 3 or 4 candles in that one. But we're going to divide these into 2 groups and really go deep on these. Skillet Blueberry Cobbler. Are you kidding me? Warm blueberries, baked cobbler, and vanilla ice cream. This one is incredible. I've smelled this one before. This one is so good. It's like a blueberry pie. I'm on fall overload. Okay. Oh my gosh. Toffee kettle corn. Toffee kettle corn. Sweet kettle corn, melted toffee, and sea salt. Oh my gosh, that sea salt note is so good. That is delicious. Okay, I got a couple more. Fall Fireside. Fall Fireside is crunchy leaves, smoked cedar, and fireplace embers. This is like Fireside. It's like Santa Claus's house. Oh my gosh. These are so good. Campsite embers. I think this one is new. Smoked woods, glowing embers, and leather hiking boots. This one is amazing. That leather note in here, it's got a little bit of a Halloween twist to it. It is good. Okay. Moonlit Slow Dance. Oh my gosh. Toasted marshmallows, vanilla whiskey, warm sandalwood, and moonlit amber. It's perfect. It's perfect. The vanilla, the marshmallow. Oh, these are so good. Windblown wildflowers, sweet wildflower, meadow greens, and sunworm citrus. Oh, this one's sweet. Oh my gosh. It's perfect. It is perfect. The sweetness in here. Oh my gosh. Okay. I wonder if I can grab that other box really quick. I just want to see what's in the other box. I have such a big mess here. Okay, I have another box here. I think there's like 2 in here, but I need to see these. And then, like I said, I literally cannot wait for Lenny to smell these because you know he was just in Sonoma. And these candles are going to be right up his alley. Oh my gosh, they sent me the Care Bears candle. I'm so excited. I wasn't expecting this one. Fruity Pebbles, fruity cereal, lemon lime, powdered sugar, and essential. Ah, thank you so much, Goose Creek. I got the Care Bear candle. And then, oh, pomegranate, crayon, apple. Oh my gosh. Big toss. Sweet pomegranate, tart cranberry, and red apple. Oh, this is so good. Oh, Goose Creek. Oh, Goose Creek. These are good. These are really, really good. I will have more about these. Let me know your favorites. I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.